Good day, folks. Welcome to Zero Markets. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's check the economic calendar. Okay, today we had the CPI and we saw how price was delivered. But what's most interesting to me is tomorrow, which is unemployment claims by 8:30 a.m. New York time. Also notice 2 a.m. news, GBP news, tomorrow, 16th of January, 2025. Okay, this is DXY, and this is a weekly chart. Currently, we are inside a weekly fair value gap. Above, we have buy side. Let's go to the daily. Firstly, you see how the weekly last week was delivered. After a long bearishness, the dollar recovered and closed bullishly. And seems like same will be the case of this week. Looking at this is the daily chart. This is a daily fair value gap. You can see the rejection. Let's get down to the 4-hour. Clean. See how the bodies closed above the fair value gap. Now, look at the hourly chart, DXY. This is a shift in market structure. It cannot be ignored, but the fact still remains that we have to retest the low. Price will have to retest the low. And I would prefer a failure swing. Something like this. And then we'll continue. Let's go to GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD. Weekly. Look at the weekly. From the previous week, you're expecting price to get below this low, to run the stops here. But look at what we have. Daily chart. Same thing. Quickly, let's go to the 1 hour. Look at this. This is buy side. This is buy side. Buy side liquidity. Resting above this place. Resting above these highs. Now, I expect a failure swing in the dollar, but I expect the GBPUSD to take out these highs over here. Something like this. Then we'll go lower. This is what I expect from GBPUSD. But it's not the same for the euro. You can say, oh, this is a break of structure. Yes, this is a break of structure, but it's different with the euro. Let's quickly go to the euro. This is profound. And I expect a failure swing in the euro. Something like this. This is what I expect from the euro. Why do I expect this from the euro and expect the highs taken out in the GBP? This is why. This is Euro GBP. Looking at this chart, obviously GBP is stronger. See? Let's go back to the GBPUSD. So this is what I expect from the GBPUSD. And I've made my reasons known. I expect these highs to be run in GBPUSD before the failure. Now, if we check the COT of the British pound, you can see the commercials are net short. Commercials are net short. And according to the hedging program, the commercial hedging program, we will still see lower prices in GBP before we can start seeing higher prices. Now, this is all I have. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you, folks.